Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails.
For my base, I chose this NCLA Los Angeles nail polish called Fairykale Ending. It's a gorgeous green polish. To stamp, I'll use my Ejiubas plus Sarah R stamping plate. The Ejiubas stamping plates have images on both sides of the plate, so you get a lot to choose from. I'm also going to be using one of the Ejiubas stampers. To stamp, I use these three polishes: Beauty Big Bang No. 5, Sinful Colors Bordeaux, and this orange Born Pretty stamping polish. To seal in the stamping, I'll use my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. Off camera, I decided to add a little bit of gold stamping, and I use this Maniology polish called Heart of Gold. I use the same gold to stamp these images on my right hand. And I love the way it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!
And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.